Hi, this is the VIVO V15 Pro and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one, and by this way you could see that we just successfully created a new home screen folder. If you want to rename the folder, you should just hold it and tap here to rename, and by this way you could rename it, or also you could just open the folder, tap on the name and enter the new one. So if you want to add here more applications, just in one click, if you want to add a couple of apps, tap to the plus icon and just select all of the applications which you want to add, tap to done, and that's it. If you want to move folders here on the screen or between the screens, hold it and drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. To remove the application from here, hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen, from the folder, hold it, tap to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with all of the applications in the app menu. And also you could just tap to this plus icon and unselect all of the applications. And also if you want, you could just remove all of the apps to remove the folder. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.